cloudy, gloomy, overcast, clear, bright, cloudless, stormy, ragging, inclement, hot, blistering, blazing, cold, biting, frigid, fast, agile, nimble, relaxed, carefree, unhurried, rainy, damp, drizzly, old, getting on, elderly, new, mint, pristine, modern, contemporary, present day, bubbly, frothy, effervescent, worn, threadbare, shabby, young, adolescent, juvenile, confused, befuddled, foggy, rough, smooth, glassy, sleek, tired, bleary-eyed, weary, hungry, famished, feckish, ill, nauseous, feverish, funny, hilarious, amusing, adventurous, bold, intrepid, strange, peculiar, bizarre, energetic, frisky, lively, brave, courageous, gallant, likable, revered, enviable, upset, distressed, agitated, friendly, sociable, tender, boring, dull, drab, bothered, grumpy, crabby, happy, cheery, elated, afraid, fearful, alarmed, angry, furious, enraged,